Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to change the perspective on a product once it's applied. So once you've uploaded through AI, let's say you get something like this, where this siding in the top gable is at an angle. And obviously that's not how you would apply siding to that section. So you can adjust this easily by clicking on the little edit icon, and in your in this behind the scenes editing tool, you will see a option. All these product types will show up first. What you want to do to get to the perspective is to choose the actual section of the home that you need to change. So let's change this little gable, and you'll get an additional layer of editing tools that appear. Now you can see there's a set layers perspective option. So you choose that, and this little red box is indicating the direction that the product is now currently being put in, which is at this weird angle, and that is not what we want. So what we need to do to correct that is to click on this corner and drag it up. So we want this end up. This is the way that siding should appear, is just perfectly horizontally across that gable. Now you can hit done and hit save and continue. And now that product will correct itself. And that is how you adjust perspective. I hope that was helpful. Thanks. Bye.